Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We've been hearing complaints about the AirPods Pro 2nd generation's battery draining issue even when it's not in use. Well, in this video, we'll try to give you some possible fixes to that problem. First, before anything else, check how many devices are paired with your AirPods Pro 2. Keep the one you use mostly, and just for now, disconnect your AirPods Pro 2 from all the other devices. Next, what you can do, just for a few days, try not to use any special features like noise cancellation, because that might take away extra battery from your AirPods Pro 2. There is something interesting I want to share with you all, that some users have suggested that draining all the battery and then charging them to 100% and then reset the AirPods has done the trick for them. Last but not the least, check your AirPods Pro 2's current firmware version. For that, first connect your AirPods Pro 2 to your iPhone. And from here, straight from settings to AirPods Pro settings, scroll down, and in this About section, that's the version you're currently using. Click on that and just click on this link. From here, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see the latest firmware versions that Apple has released. You can cross-check these two versions, and if they don't match, you need a firmware update for your AirPods Pro 2. Now, if you think your AirPods Pro 2 needs a firmware update, just close the lid of your AirPods Pro 2 charging box and keep it charging along with your iPhone, and keep AirPods Pro 2 near the Bluetooth range of your iPhone and wait for a while so the firmware update can happen. Sometimes the most simple solutions do the trick we've all been waiting for. And apart from all this, we recommend you can also check if your AirPods Pro 2 is bought from a genuine source or not. Or you can contact Apple support for their suggestions. And then you're welcome here to share your experience with all of us in the comment section. Stay safe and stay connected. Thank you for watching.